Hello, love. Mamengwa wa'a.
Oh, Boozhoo, Nietzsche.
Nanamush Ishinakazod. Pleasure to make your acquaintance, sir. Hello, mate. And this here is Makwa. Boozhoo. Wabus Ishinakazod. Ani Niji. And up there we got Baka Akwe and Makuns. Ekadon Boozhoo Nijiwag. Baka! Nice to meet you, brother. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, welcome to the show.
And Niwini Mushane, Natasha Iwede. Hello, love. And last but not least, our fearless producer, Michael Lyons. Hi. Hello, mate. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. Mr. Boozhoo, your friends are oh so lovely. Oh, and you have a show on the telly then? No, it's like an online podcast. We're on YouTube and that, Facebook, Twitter.
We're a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
Well said, dear. Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo is, well, if I can be so bold, this podcast is like no other show I've ever seen. Brilliant. Do you think I could sit in on a taping sometime? I'd love to see how you and your mates here produce your show. I'll do you one better, Niji. How about I make you our special guest? Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? All right, then. Okay, you just sit right here. Can we just start taping? All right. Boozhoo ni Janishinabe Doog, and welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and we have a very special guest on the show today. Say hello to gaazhagens, Ikadon, Boozhoo, to Niniji, gaazhagens. Oh, and that's our Ojibwe word of the day, gaazhagens, cat. So tell us, gaazhagens, what is the most misunderstood thing that people have about cats? Oh, blimey, I don't know. Let me think. Maybe it's this idea that we want to eat mice. Cats are vegans, mate. We've never eaten meat. You don't eat meat? Nah, mate. I'm just having a go. I love mice. Eh. Well, all right then. Well, hey. gaazhagens is in the kazod. gaazhagens is his name. Welcome to the show, Niji. Thank you, Nana Boozhoo. You're a gentleman and a scholar, my good sir. Thank you very much indeed. And you've been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Igawabamin Minowa Ho. Alright, yeah. Welcome to the show, Niji. Oh, thank you very much indeed.